This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever, located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet safety catch and raise the bonnet. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment when viewed from the driver's seat. Lift the cover to gain access to the battery. Loosen the clamp nut and then disconnect the battery negative terminal. Cover the battery terminal with a suitable insulator. Now loosen the clamp and disconnect the battery positive cable. Remove the battery cover by lifting it up and out of the vehicle, and then unscrew the retaining clamp bolt and remove the clamp. The battery can now be lifted out of the engine compartment. Lift the new battery into the engine compartment. Position the clamp, then install the bolt and tighten it to secure the clamp. Refit the battery case, then remove the insulator and connect the battery positive terminal. Tighten the nut to secure the clamp. Now connect the battery negative terminal and tighten the nut to secure the clamp. Apply petroleum jelly to the positive connection and the negative connection. Refit the terminal cover to the battery negative terminal cover, then close the battery case. Close the bonnet, ensuring that it shuts securely.